the world just got shaken. Reports from inside Tesla have leaked something unbelievable, a $789 Tesla Pi phone that's said to be so advanced it could destroy the iPhone 17 Air before it even launches. But the strange part, Elon Musk is hiding it. No press conference, no teaser, no confirmation, just silence. Yet inside Tesla's secret R&D facility in Palo Alto, a storm is brewing, a device that could change the way we think about communication, AI, and even human connection itself. It all began when a Tesla engineer accidentally posted a blurred photo online, a phone-like object with a glowing Tesla logo. Within hours, the image vanished, the account was deleted, and the rumors started. Some called it Project Starlink Mini, but insiders confirmed the truth. This was the Tesla Pi phone prototype. It's built with materials never before used in consumer tech. A liquid titanium alloy frame designed to withstand space-level temperatures. The concept was simple, but insane. A phone that connects directly to Starlink satellites, giving you full-speed internet anywhere on Earth, even deep in deserts or at sea. No SIM cards, no carriers. Just direct-to-satellite connectivity. But the biggest shock isn't the connection, it's the intelligence. The Pi phone isn't just smart, it's designed to learn like a human. Powered by a Tesla-designed AI chip, it constantly adapts to your habits, voice, tone, even emotional state. Imagine a phone that knows when you're stressed and automatically dims the lights, lowers notifications, or plays your favorite calming playlist, all without a single touch. It's said to integrate seamlessly with Neuralink, allowing users to control the device using thought commands. No buttons, no swipes, just pure mind-to-machine control. That's where Apple's fear begins. Because if this technology works, if even half of what's rumored is true, it could make traditional smartphones obsolete overnight. The iPhone 17 Air, Apple's upcoming flagship, looks almost primitive in comparison. Apple's sleek design, thinner body, an enhanced camera pale next to what Tesla's offering, a device powered by the sun, charged via graphene-based solar panels embedded in the screen. Yes, the Pi phone can literally charge itself while you walk. We'll never plug it in again. And that's not the end of it. The phone's camera system, eSNT, designed by Sony or Samsung, it is built using space X-grade optics capable of capturing night skies in 3D clarity. Insiders claim it can even photograph stars invisible to the human eye. Musk's goal, ISNT, just to replace phones. He wants to create a universal communication link between humans, AI, and space technology. Every Tesla car, every SpaceX satellite, and every Neuralink chip would connect through this single ecosystem, and the Pi phone would be the gateway. So why is Elon Musk hiding it? Some say it's because of Apple's pressure. There are reports that Apple executives privately warned suppliers not to collaborate with Tesla. Others believe Musk is waiting until Neuralink gains FDA approval so he can launch both together. It's creating a tech revolution that merges biology and AI. But the most mysterious theory comes from within Tesla itself. Employees talk about an Omega update, a secret version of the Pi software that allows the phone to operate offline, fully AI-powered, even without internet. It learns, adapts, and evolves completely independent of the cloud. Some call it dangerous, others call it the future. In late August, a leaked video surfaced online for just 43 seconds before being pulled. It showed a device unlocking as a user stared at it. No fingerprint, no password. The logo pulsed, and a small holographic interface projected above the phone's surface. Tesla never commented, but the timestamp matched internal testing dates at their Austin Gigafactory. Coincidence? Maybe not. Meanwhile, Apple insiders reportedly described internal panic meetings. Rumors say that Apple's CEO was briefed that Tesla's Pi phone could undercut iPhone 17s. Global launch by offering space connectivity, solar power, and AI-enhanced apps for under $800. Apple's executives know this. If the Pi phone launches, it doesn't just threaten the iPhone, it threatens the very foundation of the smartphone industry. But the deeper question remains, what is Musk planning? Some believe he wants to replace not just phones, but the entire internet infrastructure. With Starlink satellites beaming down global coverage, every Pi phone could act as a mini relay node, creating a decentralized web owned not by governments or corporations, but by users. No censorship, no tracking, no carrier control. A truly free internet, something that terrifies the tech elite. Yet the phone is still hidden. Tesla denies all involvement, but insiders have reported shipments of ultra-thin display panels to Tesla facilities, not cars, not power walls, just labeled mobile optics. A journalist who tried to film one of these deliveries in Nevada claimed their footage was wiped remotely from their camera. Coincidence? Or evidence that something bigger is being protected? In the end, one thing is certain. The $789 Tesla Pi phone isn't just another gadget. It's a symbol of a coming shift from smartphones to smart life forms, where devices don't serve you. They merge with you. Elon Musk has always said his mission is to make humans a multi-planetary species. The Pi phone might just be step one, the tool that connects Earth to Mars. So as Apple prepares to launch the iPhone 17 Air with its glossy ads and upgraded camera, Tesla remains silent. No announcements, no leaks. Just whispers of a phone that could make the entire smartphone industry obsolete overnight. Maybe Musk isn't hiding the Pi phone because it's unfinished. Maybe he's hiding it because it's already too powerful. And when it finally appears, it won't just destroy iPhone 17 Air, it will destroy everything we thought we knew about technology.